Gene therapy has a bit of an image problem, because every time someone tries to explain it to you, you end up looking at a diagram of DNA that resembles a particularly aggressive spaghetti junction. So here's the simple version. Imagine your body is running on billions of lines of genetic code. Sometimes a disease happens because one tiny section of that code is wrong. Gene therapy is the idea that instead of treating the symptoms, you go in and fix the code itself. It's basically software updates for humans. Now here's where things get interesting. Just this week, the FDA proposed a change that could make gene therapies faster and cheaper to develop. While that doesn't sound particularly exciting, it could end up affecting millions of lives. At the moment, even if a company is using a delivery system or manufacturing process that's already being studied extensively, they often have to repeat huge amounts of work to satisfy regulators. FDA is essentially asking, if we've already learned something valuable, do we really need to keep proving it over and over again? Think about it this way. If 10 people have already worked out how to build a safe bridge, the 11th engineer shouldn't have to rediscover gravity before getting started. The proposal would allow developers to make greater use of existing scientific knowledge when developing new gene therapies. It could mean lower costs, shorter development times, and importantly, could make treatments for extremely rare diseases far more viable. Because if you're developing a therapy for a disease that affects just a few hundred people, every extra year and every extra £1 million matters. Now that isn't a cure, it's not a new treatment, it's not guaranteed to happen, but it might be one of the most important biotech stories of this year. Sometimes really the biggest breakthrough isn't a new technology, it's just removing the red tape and speed bumps that stop good technology reaching those patients in the first place.